In this video, I'll be showing you how to make red velvet chinchin, a crunchy delicious snack that is perfect for small business and also for personal consumption. With that being said, let's dive into the main topic. So firstly, I'll go ahead and sieve my flour, and I'll be using 2 cups of flour for this recipe. Just like I'll always say, you can always increase your measurement depending on the quantity of snacks you are doing. After that, go in with your sugar, baking powder, vanilla flavor, milk flavor, red velvet, nutmeg, and also your powdered milk. Mix everything together to combine well. Once you are done mixing, go ahead and add in your butter. Also mix this to combine together. After that, go in with your 1 cup of water, and please, when adding this water, you should not add them all at once. This step is very important to avoid having a watery dough. And please watch till the end so that you can see how beautifully this chinchin turns out, all because of using the correct measurement of water. At this stage, transfer the dough to the work surface and knead slightly. Please do not over knead. Just knead enough to bring everything together, and the dough should be smooth, soft, and not sticky. Now roll out the dough to your preferred thickness, but for crunchy chinchin, avoid rolling it too thick. Cut the dough into small cubes or sizes of your choice. Try to make the sizes even so they can fry uniformly. And you can cut this with your pizza cutter, scissors, or a knife. Whichever one you want to use is perfectly okay. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me, and I don't take it for granted. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't make it your last. Subscribe and be part of this family, okay? Heat up oil on a medium heat and gently add the chinchin into the oil in batches. Please do not overcrowd the pan. Fry while stirring continuously until they turn firm and crunchy. Remember, this is real velvet chinchin and they are not going to turn golden brown. Once done, remove from the oil and drain on a sieve or paper towel. Allow to cool down completely. As it cools, you will notice that it becomes more crunchy and firm. This is exactly what we want. This red velvet chinchin has a beautiful color, great crunch, and a rich taste, making it perfect for selling. You can package it in jars, nylon bags, or plastic containers for business. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Also, let me know in the comment section if you will be making this for home or for business. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.